how to deposit cash in Bank of America. So if you want to deposit any money in Bank of America, you will need to go to a Bank of America ATM. Now there are a few different deposits that you can make at an ATM. So I'm just going to expand this article here. So what type of deposits are made available on the same day as my deposit? So any cash deposits that you make will be available immediately. So as soon as you deposit them in the ATM, they will go into your, according bank account or your debit card amount. Now, what type of deposits are made available on the next business day after my deposit? So for information about funds availability and holds you might be placed on your deposit, we'll need to visit the deposit holds frequently asked page. So page here, so you can read all of this right here. And what determines when my funds will be made available? Banks are governed by federal regulations affecting the availability of funds. Bank of America considers factors such as type of deposit, deposit amount, and customer relationship. Bank of America strives to make funds available as quickly as possible for our customers. So this was some extra information that you may use when depositing money at an ATM with Bank of America. So I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.